How to set up PayPal on Weverse. It's pretty simple and a quick process, so without any further delay, let's jump right into the video. Start by moving into your application Weverse. Enter your login credential and make sure that you are logged into a specific account. Once you have been logged in, head over to Shop at the bottom of the screen. Once you are in the Weverse, now what you want to do is head over to any of the product that you want to purchase. Let me move into this one for now. Now click on Purchase. Fill up all of the information that is required. Once done, in the payment method, you have to choose PayPal. And for the further process, click on Accept and Pay. It will land you on the page where you will be able to set up your PayPal account. Enter your card detail information and all the details that has been asked. Once you're done setting up the PayPal, tap on Pay, and then your purchase will be done. So that's a wrap for this video. If it was helpful, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.